6 popular false ceiling materials. In this video, we will learn the pros and cons of different false ceiling materials. A false ceiling is a secondary ceiling that is suspended from the structural ceiling of the home, and it is made in materials such as POP, gypsum, wood, glass, PVC, and so on. These materials are long-lasting and add to the aesthetic appeal of the space. Gypsum. Pros. Gypsum boards are very strong and highly durable. These ceilings ensure quick and easy installation and generate very little dust during execution. They are available in large sizes and very few joint lines are visible in the ceiling. Gypsum is a fire-resistant material and has very good acoustic properties. These ceilings provide good thermal insulation. Gypsum boards have a very smooth factory-produced finish and can be further finished with paint, laminate, or wallpaper. Cons. In case of any damage, the ceiling needs to be broken down as it cannot be repaired. Also, the ceiling may develop visible cracks over a period of time. Do not use gypsum ceilings in moisture-laden areas like the bathroom or the outdoors because gypsum may warp and result in fungal growth. POP. Plaster of Paris. POP is a quick-setting white powder that hardens quickly when mixed with water. This mixture is applied to a chicken mesh, allowed to dry and then fixed as the false ceiling. Pros. POP is a durable false ceiling material. It has a smooth finish and does not show cracks because the same material is used for closing all the joint lines. Additionally, paint settles very well on the POP ceiling. POP is a flexible material and one can achieve any shape with POP. It is one of the cheapest false ceiling materials. Cons. The process of mixing the POP with water and letting it dry on site is time-consuming and messy. Wood. Wood ceilings impart a warm, rustic, or high-end modern look to the interiors. These ceilings are installed by fixing wooden blocks or panels on the structural ceiling and finishing it with veneer or wood polish. Pros. Wooden ceilings stand out because of the natural textures and grain patterns of wood. These ceilings blend with both traditional and modern interiors. Cons. Wooden false ceilings are very expensive and may get infested with termites. Wood has a tendency to expand and contract and is prone to warping and cracking. Metal. Metal ceilings comprise metal panels suspended in a visible grid and are available in the form of ready-to-install tiles. Pros. Metal ceilings are very strong and durable. These ceilings are maintenance-free and do not crack or warp over time. Metal has a very good sheen and it imparts a high-end shiny look to the decor. Cons. Metal ceiling panels are very expensive. These panels should be finished with a protective coating that shall protect the metal sheets from corrosion. PVC. If you are looking for a water-resistant false ceiling material, go for PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride ceiling panels. Pros. PVC sheets are lightweight, durable, sturdy, and they do not require any finishing or painting after installation. They last for years without warping or bending. The water-resistant nature of the PVC sheets prevents water absorption. Hence, they are resistant to mold and mildew, especially in areas with damp conditions. PVC panels are easy to install, are highly affordable, and available in many colors. Cons. PVC false ceiling panels can give a plastic look. They are not fire-resistant and may get damaged when subjected to heat. Stained glass. Give a decorative look to the ceiling with stained glass where glass insets can be fixed onto the POP, gypsum, or wooden ceilings. Pros. Stained glass ceilings give a very eye-catching and artistic look to the interiors. Cons. Glass should be handled with care and the ceiling should be strong enough to take the additional weight of glass. Stained glass ceiling panels need maintenance and should be cleaned regularly, as dust and dirt show easily on glass. Stained glass is hand-painted, hence expensive.